Hello everyone, welcome to biology class, and from this video lecture we are going to discuss about the embryo, which is the stage of the sexual reproduction after fertilization. It means we will discuss these events after fertilization under post fertilization events. Before this, we have already discussed about the endosperm, and now after formation of endosperm, the process of development of embryo from the zygote take place by the process of embryogenesis. So, how the embryogenesis occur in dicot and monocot, we will discuss or we will clarify that from this video lecture. So, first of all, let us start with the development of embryo in dicot. Then we will discuss the development of embryo in monocot. First of all, let us development of dicot embryo. Or we can say that embryogenesis in dicot. So embryogenesis in dicot. So let us discuss with the help of diagram and start from the zygote. So after formation of zygote, this is the zygote in dicot. After double fertilization, the product of syngamy, that is the zygote, which is diploid in nature, which is 2n. The zygote divide by the process of mitosis and produce two cell. The zygote is actually present at the micropyle end, so the development of embryo or the embryogenesis start at micropyle end from the zygote. So that the division in zygote take place, and to form two cell, the cell at the chalazion region and at the micropyle region. So here it is the micropyle region and here it is the chalazion region. So at the micropyle region, the formation of suspensor cell. Suspensor cell take place, and at the chalazion region, the formation of the embryonal cell. So suspensor cell allow the formation of suspensor, while the embryonal cell allow the formation of embryo from this zygote. So then suspensor and embryonal cell divide again mitotically and to form. So the suspensor cell divide by transverse mitotic division and form two cells, while the embryonal cell divide by longitudinal mitotic division. So these two cells are embryonal cell, are the product of embryonal cell after division, while these are the two product of product of suspensor cell, and out of two, one is astorial cell, and the second one is the suspensor mother cell. So suspensor mother cell repeatedly divide to form a filamentous suspensor or stalk-like suspensor, which we will also observe here. So this one is the Astorial cell, or it is also known as vesicular cell. So Astorial cell especially help in the attachment of embryo from the micropyle base. And from the Astorial cell, a filament like structure form. Filament like structure form due to the division of suspensor mother cell. So this is the suspensor, and the suspensor consists of about 5 to 10 cells. 5 to 10 cell suspensor form in diploid embryo, and at the tip of the cell at the tip of suspensor is known as hypophysis. And hypophysis again divide to form the radical tip, and here at the tip of this the two-celled embryo situated. Then these two-celled embryo converted into the four-celled embryo. Here the two-celled embryo converting to four-celled embryo, and this condition is known as tetrad embryo. And here the hypophysis divide to form the radical tip. Then these four cell stages converted into the 8-cell stage by the process of mitosis, and the same structure it also consists of Astorial cell, along with the suspensor, and this suspensor at the tip it also consists of this is the octant embryo. Octant form of embryo. Then this octant embryo converted into heart-shaped embryo. So heart-shaped embryo also consists of suspensor, this is the 16 cell hard cell embryo. Then this 16-celled heart-shaped embryo get converted into the mature embryo, which consists of the particular structure which are found in a mature embryo. So this structure get converted into the mature embryo, which also consists of this pastoral cell. Then so this octate embryo, it also known as globular embryo or globular embryo, and this tetrad embryo is also known as proembryo. And here we will discuss the mature form of embryo, which is also which consists of the which becomes differentiated into different region of embryo, that is cotyledons and embryonal axis. So here we will observe here we will observe the so in the mature embryo, this is the outer layer, which is known as the dermatogen or protoderm, which give rise to the epidermis in the plant. Epidermis, and here it is the radicle, and below the radicle the region it is known as hypophyte. Then here the hexagonal cells remain embedded it is the dermatogen or protoderm which produce the epidermis. Then at the middle it is known as plerome, or it is also known as procambium. And the procambium, it is responsible for the formation of steel. Steel is the region that consists of the complex permanent tissue, that is the column of xylem and phloem, and here it is the remaining part, the cortex region, developed from the periderm, and periderm gives rise to cortex region, and here the leaf-like structure, it is the cotyledon. So there are two cotyledon, one is here and here, and in between the cotyledon and at the base of cotyledon we will also observe a bud-like structure which is known as the plevule. Plevule is the bud-like structure at the base of two cotyledon in the diploid embryo, and below the plevule the region is known as epicotyle region. So this is the structure of a mature embryo in the developmental stage. This one is the mature embryo. Here we start from the zygote. Zygote divided from the two cell. One is suspensor cell and lower the cell of Chalaza region is embryonal cell. So the cell of Chalaza region, that is embryonal cell, give rise to the embryo, while the suspensor cell give rise to the suspensor apparatus, which consists of suspensor as well as hastoidal cell. So hastoidal cell and suspensor produced here, and suspensor in dicot, it is the filamentous 5 to 10 celled stage, and at the tip of suspensor the cell becomes swell and it is known as hypophysis, which divide to form radical tip. Then after the formation of radical tip, the two celled stage of embryonal cell divide to form tetrad, which form the globular form of embryo, or which form the proembryo, and proembryo redivide mitotically and form 8 cell stage, which is the globular form of embryo. Then globular form 8 cell globular form of embryo becomes converted to 16 celled heart-shaped embryo, and 16 celled heart-shaped embryo get lastly converted into mature embryo, which consists of the hastoidal cell, suspensor, then radical tip which is formed from the hastoidal cell, from the cells of suspensor, which is known as suspensor cell, hypophysis. Then here the heart-shaped embryo divide and redivide. The outer layer of cell of heart-shaped embryo becomes formed the dermatogen or protoderm, which give rise to epidermis, which is the single layered cell having thin flat cell. Then inside this, the two layer of cell observed the middle at the center of the embryo, the layer of cell, 3 to 4 layered cell. It is known as plerome or procambium. So, as the name procambium, it gives rise to the steel region in the plants, in dicot plant. Steel region means the region where phloem and xylem arrange to form the column of conduction of water as well as fluid, conductive tissue or column of conductive tissue. And between the periderm, dermatogen and the plerome, the cells of group of parenchymatous cell it is known as perineum, or which give rise to the cortex region. And this cortex region perineum divide to form the two arms of the embryo, which are known as cotyledons, and at the base of cotyledon there is a bud-like structure which is known as plumule, which is the future stem of the dicot plant or dicot embryo. So plumule make the future stem, while the radicle make the future root system. So this is all about the dicot embryo. And in the case of monocot embryo, the structure is same or similar process take place. But in the case of monocot, we will observe a single celled suspensor. There is no any division in suspensor cell. Single cell suspensor cell form the suspensor, and the embryonal cell divide to form the radical tip as well as the plumule tip, or the epicotyle region and hypocotyle region, along with a single cotyledon. So this is all about the embryonal development in the case of plant. And in next video lecture, we will discuss about the next topic, that is the formation of seed, or about the seed and types of seed.